Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing about the topic that is cities creation. In this basically we are talking about that 100 plane basically getting crashed, 100 plane basically were getting crashed, and the software company and mostly basically as I know basically the software companies basically of the Asian country basically they keeps union basically. They are basically one. Somebody has told me also that it's a one basically. So in this basically the data science project basically which is getting created na, that mostly basically top 100 company might be there basically who might have created this, and in this basically the top software company only basically created the entire small software companies also basically. So like this basically they have become one. Like this basically they have become one basically because somebody has told me basically the entire world is sorry entire Asian country basically are one. Like this basically it might possible that India is one of the Asian country, Pakistan is there, Sri Lanka is there, Bangladesh is there, then basically I think Bhutan is there, Nepal is there. These all are basically Asian country basically. Europe basically is not Asian country. UK is there, but lots of more than 5 crore people of Indian basically are staying there basically. That are also very high profile people basically. Highly profile people basically. High profile people basically. Businessmen people basically are staying in the Europe basically. So you can just imagine the thing basically. So one of the person told that basically, so Asian country basically might be into that basically that they might be creating the softwares basically. That data science project basically. Somebody has given the name also, data science project, and they basically charge 2 to 3 lakh rupees for the data science basically. So might be possible basically up to that level basically they might be. So one of the person told that in data science basically Oracle is there basically, right, and SQL server is there. They only basically might be having this project basically. Who else basically is there in the market basically? And one of the person told that basically C++ is also there, but here that basically keeps notepad basically, right, and notepad is basically not secure. Then one of the person told that basically it might possible that he might be decoding the data sorry in binary mode basically he might be dumping the data. But what about that basically when anybody gets the decode data basically, decode software basically, from that basically he can decode the data na basically. Yeah, basically that is possible. That time basically you can't track that basically somebody has accessed that notepad basically. Up to that level basically Microsoft has not created. Then one of the person told that possibilities are there of the this type of project basically might be in Oracle and might be in SQL Server basically. That is Microsoft and Oracle basically. Microsoft and Oracle. These are the this basically are the two big companies basically who are basically into the keeping the data of the creating the database of the data science, the live data of the 100 planes basically, 100 planes which basically crashed in the Himalaya mountain and Everest mountain. Sorry, it's Mount Everest basically. Why basically it has given Mount Everest, that basically I don't know. So you can just imagine basically. You can just imagine the dangerous mentality basically of the person basically. He just want to keep everything basically in his control basically. So just imagine basically 4 lakh people basically die daily. That also very high profile people basically, not some normal people basically. Not a normal people basically die in this. High profile people only can flew. High profile group basically only can fly in the plane basically. Normal people can fly basically. No, that is not possible basically. So high profile people basically dies in the plane crash. So this basically somebody might have tracked this basically. So somebody say that basically it might possible basically we will do the lockdown. We will do the lockdown basically in the world basically. So he told that basically it might possible that basically. somebody might have tracked this, and he might have done the lockdown basically. Like this basically, still basically that group exists basically. So that basically is the 4 lakh people basically who dies daily basically. 4 lakh people basically dies daily. So you can just imagine basically. So one of the person told that basically in this 4 lakh people basically who dies, software professional are also there basically. Then he told that basically Oracle and Microsoft people might be knowing basically, because this type of project basically they are only handling that. They are only handling this type of projects, and they might be possible that they basically might not be handling directly. They might be creating one company, they might be finishing the projects, and they might be finishing the people also basically. That also possible basically. They might be creating dummy company, not dummy company, but register company. Everything basically they have to do legally only, na basically, because they have to create the balance sheet also basically. So they might be creating company and registering the company also in the USA. Mostly 99% basically that company might be in USA only basically, because in India basically they will never keep the data, because they might not be trusting the India basically, because it they know that basically the 11 divide land basically is there basically. So they mostly basically 99% basically they might be creating the company in USA, and like this basically they might be creating the project. H1B visa is there basically. Like this basically they might be creating the project, and then basically they will be they might be finishing the people basically. They might be finishing the people basically. Possibilities basically, I'm not 100% sure basically, but they for 4 lakh people basically, in 4 lakh people software professional people are also might be 100% there basically. 100% basically the software people also basically might be there, but not sure basically, because possibilities there na basically, possibilities. 100% I'm not sure basically. So possibilities are there basically. So one of the person told that the earthquakes basically which happens, but in Asia basically earthquake doesn't happen here basically. Asian country basically, Asia land base is getting into separate mode basically. Then in Asia basically the earthquake is supposed to happen na basically. Then he told that yes, here basically you are correct. Then why basically in Asia land basically it's not happening? Because the satellite is up to that level basically, that earthquake basically might not be happening basically. They are doing so smoothly that basically earthquake basically will never happen basically. So the people basically might be professional group basically, that basically you are never able to track that basically the land basically is getting separate from the earth planet. So in next video basically we are going to see how basically the land is getting separate, and Asia country basically never gets the earthquakes.